What's up, you guys? Riley with B&H here to tell you all about Canon's brand new PowerShot V1 point-and-shoot camera and its interchangeable lens bigger sibling, the EOS R50 V. Both are packed with next-level video features made specifically for content creators like you. Stepping up their vlogging camera game from the PowerShot V10 to the PowerShot V1, this new compact point-and-shoot style camera has a 22.3 megapixel 1.4 type sensor, which is twice the size of the much-loved Canon G7X. This never-before-seen innovative sensor size from Canon provides your shots with better quality in lower light areas, better subject separation from the background, and overall more cinematic looks. The camera also has an integrated 16 to 50mm zoom lens. What this means for you? Great quality videos and images, and a very capable wide to standard zoom range. This wider field of view is created specifically for content creators to assist them in vlogging scenarios like this. Canon's new PowerShot V1 is the perfect video content creating tool for new creators. While this camera is capable of taking both photos and videos, it is designed mainly for video content. Now, let's talk about autofocus, because what good is your content if it's not in focus, right? The V1 has Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 for PowerShot, which it inherited from some of the higher-end cameras in the lineup. The only difference here is the camera's subject tracking IS, in which the camera will recognize a subject and correct for blurring, as well as adjust crop position in accordance to the subject's position. Also, Canon's multifunction hot shoe is here, which you can utilize for adding a microphone, a flash, or the included dead cat attachment. A dead cat? Yup, it's this fluffy little guy that helps to bring down wind and unwanted background noise. This is your audio with the dead cat, and this is your audio without the dead cat. Speaking of audio, the camera's built-in 3-mic array is handy for minimizing unwanted sound all on its own. The body also features a headphone jack, a separate microphone input for when you want to upgrade your audio setup, a USB port, and an HDMI port. We have a full flip-out screen on here as well, great for keeping yourself in the shot when creating as a one-man band. The V1's convenient focus modes cater to whatever content you'd like to create. The 3 modes include skin smoothing mode. Canon's indulging your vanity here by ensuring you look like a rock star in all your content. Movie close-up demo mode, for when you're showing products. Gone are the days of holding your hand behind a product you're showing in order to achieve focus on it. And movie digital IS mode for stabilizing during walking and talking shots. Keeping up with its more intensive video shooting capabilities, this small but mighty camera also possesses a built-in fan for cooling the camera body. This is great for long recording times. Now, as a video-first camera, the PowerShot V1 is also equipped with some pretty advanced video features, such as Canon Log 3 capable shooting, which is a mode you can use if you're planning to do some color correction or creative color when you edit the video. A built-in 3-stop ND filter, which really comes in handy on super sunny days like today.
But wait!
There's more! Canon is also announcing the release of the EOS R50 V camera for more advanced video content creators. This is an entry-level video-centric camera that meets a wide range of cinematic and visual needs. For starters, this is an interchangeable lens camera, compatible with Canon's full lineup of RF and RFS mount lenses. This camera is packed with features to both get you started creating great content out of the box, and even more features that you will grow into over time. First off, we have an APS-C size sensor capable of 4K 60p crop and 4K 30p oversampled, built for great quality video and photo content with Canon's Digic X processing engine on board, which make it capable of things like dual-pixel CMOS AF2 for quiet and smooth autofocus. The body is built specifically to cater to the needs of video content creators, whether it be long-form YouTube content or vertical social media content. The layout on the top of the camera is all video-specific controls. We have a 1/4-20 tripod mount on the bottom, as well as a 1/4-20 screw on the side for vertical shooting. Dual record buttons, a zoom rocker for when you're using a power zoom lens, and more. Like I said, this camera is meant to grow with you. This camera is packed with features from Canon's more advanced cameras, like 10-bit 422 and XF HEVC. This is great news for quality and control with your content. We also have Canon Log 3 here for the best dynamic range out of camera and overall better control of color when you're editing. We have 4-channel audio with microphone and headphone ports, false color capabilities, and more accurate exposure control, a level indicator, and a tally light. This is much more than just an entry-level camera. It is also worth noting that live streaming on this camera has been thought through intentionally, with a dedicated button on the top to get started. UVC compatibility at 4K 60p, and it is fully compatible with Canon's Live Switcher mobile app. Releasing alongside this camera is also a new lens, the 14 to 30mm f4 to 6.3 STM power zoom. This guy will get you started perfectly with the EOS R50 V right out of the box. Differing from the PowerShot V1, the EOS R50 V is an interchangeable lens camera. Content creators may use the servo zoom switch next to the shutter button or zoom on the lens itself to control it. The body is also equipped with Canon's multi-purpose hot shoe mount for adding accessories. Okay, lastly, surprise! We have another new lens. Looking further into your future as a professional shooter, Canon is also releasing the next iteration of their compact prime lens line, the 20mm f1.4 VCM. The 20mm 1.4 VCM lens joins the VCM prime lens lineup alongside the 24mm, 35mm, and 50mm seamlessly, as each lens is relatively the same weight and size. We had the chance to play with those lenses last year, and you can watch that video in the link below. All in all though, the VCM prime lenses, including the new 20mm, are full frame compatible, high quality hybrid prime lenses made for both photo and video. They are capable of precise autofocus and near silent lens operation thanks to the voice coil motor design. The main difference with the 20mm here is the addition of the blue refractive optic, which helps with color fidelity. What a day to be a Canon fan. Which of these new innovative tools is a good fit for you? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Reilly with B&H. Be excellent to each other.